Hey guys, it's Jeff Jones again from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com, and in this video, I'm going to take a look at a question that we got from one of our subscribers on our recent videos. His name is Dave, about a day ago, and I was just kind of checking in the messages while we were on vacation a little bit. He says, "Here's a good one. Ethernet connection. Here's a good one. Ethernet connection issues. When connecting the Ethernet cable to the media the box doesn't show a connection. Wire is good. Modem is good. I've tried everything I could find to fix the issue. Nothing. Any ideas?" Hey Dave, thanks for writing in. I'm not a guru. A lot of these issues or things that we find with these Formuler devices can be found at their support group, but I think I can answer this one. So let's go ahead and use this device here, which is the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. I'm only using it because most formulas are the same with the process of things that you're doing. So if I go down, all the way down to settings, if I go to settings here and I press OK, you're going to see Ethernet is connected. My Ethernet is connected. It should show that. Now, if it's not showing that, you can test it by going Wi-Fi. If I click on this, you'll notice something that I did before. If you have Wi-Fi on, normally you can turn it off and it will show you right there that the Ethernet is connected. If I unplug the Wi-Fi, if I unplug the Ethernet and turn on Wi-Fi, of course, it should show and begin. Let me do that now while we do it together here. So let's see what I can do here. So I'm gonna unplug the Wi-Fi, and you'll see that it's not connected on this screen there. You see it's not connected, and you're going to get a message that Ethernet is not connected. If you're not getting that message, it means you are connected, but maybe you have this Wi-Fi toggled on right here. Now, when you toggle on the Wi-Fi and have the Ethernet connected, which one does your box is like, which one do you want to use? Do you want to use the Wi-Fi, which mine just connected to, or do you want to use the Ethernet? You have to make a choice. You can't have them both. If this doesn't solve your problem, you might want to call the person that you probably bought the box from. If that happens to be us, we'll gladly get you a new box at no cost to you. If you bought it from Amazon, of course, Amazon's going to protect you from the sellers. If that's happening, you just have to follow the corresponding process to get a replacement. Point blank, choose which one you want. The box is going to be smarter than me, and it's going to let me know exactly what it needs to run. And without internet, you can't run that. So I hope that answers your question. What I'm going to do is put the Ethernet back in while we sit here. So there we go right there. And even though I'm in, I have to toggle off. Now you'll see that the Jorby guest is now saved because Ethernet trumped it. I'm going to make sure by turning it off, and you can see right there that I am actually connected. So let's go back here, and I hope that did answer your question. Once again, my name is Jeff. I'm a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. We do have some great units and services that go along with those units, and I just want to share my heart a little bit and on something that just happened recently, and just how to be careful. Recently I had some interaction with another company. It looked very positive, and for whatever reason it didn't transpire, and our company put out some money or product to them, and we weren't adequately paid. In other words, we got scammed. I'm not going to put out there the name of the individual or the company, but in the streaming industry, you know you want to lead by example, especially when people put their trust in you. You're dealing with people's lives and their monies and their entertainment, and to have someone not deliver on a product that they actually got for free, and then seem like all these things were going wrong, and in the end, we're out a significant amount of money. Now, that's not their fault. I'll take full responsibility of that, and be more shrewd as I work through with anyone else. I think the biggest thing I've learned is that you can only be yourself, and I'm going to be myself. And I know, and they know who I am, and I know who they are. And, I just believe what the Bible says. What a man or woman sows, you will reap. What you do unto others, sometimes it'll come back to you. Pretty sure 100% of the time. And, you know, if you decide that you're looking for a group of people who are not perfect, who have the customer in mind, to teach and train them how to stream legally without breaking any legal laws, so that way I'm protected and you're protected, please go to theboxman.com or thestreammachines.com or other websites. Call us, text us. We'd love to take your trade-ins from Fire Sticks. We love, if you're struggling money-wise, we have a 5 to 7 payment plan, 7-month payment plan to pay as you go, to pay off the box with the services in it. We're gonna make it easy for you to get the TV that you want, period, legally. And to those that want to be a strategic partner with us, hey, talk to us a little bit. We don't mind working with folks. So if you're interested in getting a great device for less, $185 and up, we're talking about if you're struggling at $185, we can get you a great unit, great internet streaming services in that unit, very legal way for you to stream, and you can go from there. If you need a payment plan, we have a website for that. That is very legal and easy to use, and we always back everything up with the money back guarantee. So there's my soapbox. There's my pitch. I hope that you guys have a great week. If you're definitely interested in the products and services that we have, text that number below or call that number below. Leave a message, and we will get back to you right away. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay with theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Happy Sunday.